Ladies and gentlemen, good day and welcome to NBCC India Limited Q2FY25 earnings conference call hosted by Elara Securities Private Limited. As a reminder, all participant lines will be in the listen-only mode, and there will be an opportunity for you to ask questions after the presentation concludes. Should you need assistance during the conference call, please signal an operator by pressing star, then 0 on your touch-tone phone. Please note that this conference is being recorded. I now hand the conference over to Ms. Ankita Shah from Elara Securities Private Limited. Thank you, and over to you, ma'am. Ankita, ma'am?
Hello. Yeah, hi. Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes. Hi. Welcome everyone to the NBCC India Limited Q2FY25 earnings conference call. We are grateful for the opportunity and we have with us the management team represented by Shri K.P. Mahadevaswamy, Chairman cum Managing Director, Shri Salim Ahmed, Director Projects, Dr. Suman Kumar, Director Commercial, Shri Anjeet Kumar Jain, Director Finance, and Mr. Balakrishna Singla, Investor Relations Officer. We start with opening remarks and then follow it up with the Q&A. Thank you, and over to the management team.
Good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of NBCC team, I extend a warm welcome to you and appreciate your presence in today's earnings call for second quarter ended 30 September 2024. I wholeheartedly welcome our new Director of Finance, Shri Anjeet Kumar Jain. Now all functional directors of NBCC are on board to take company to new heights. For quarter 2, our standalone operations and execution, we have achieved a total operating income of 1,865, reflecting 15% year-on-year increase. Additionally, our PAT stands 124 crores, making 45% year-on-year growth. For half year, we have achieved a total operating income of rupees 3,492 crores with 13% year-on-year increase, and PAT stands 210 crores, marking 42% year-on-year growth. For half year consolidated performance, NBCC has achieved total operating income of 4,603 crores, reflecting an 16% increase on year-on-year with 232 crores PAT, marking 46% year-on-year growth. Major business updates. New projects secured during this quarter. NBCC has secured substantial amount of business in the first half of the year, valued 22,300 crores on standalone basis and 28,000 crores on consolidated basis. This is one of the highest ever business secured in 6 months. To name few important and large-scale projects, development of satellite townships spread over 406 acres at Srinagar, J&K, valuing of rupees 15,000 crores. First phase work at Goa, rupees 1,726 crores, will encompass 6 projects in Goa, and we have partnered with Goa government various other additional infrastructure works in future. Redevelopment of land parcel of MTNL, rupees 1,600 crores. Redevelopment of 2 land parcels in Jhansi, 700 crores. For above few projects, appointment of consultant is in final stage, which will be followed by appointment of contractor for execution of the projects. HSCC, AIMS Darbhanga project, rupees valuing of 1,260 crores. Foundation stone laid by Honorable Prime Minister on 13/11/2024, that is yesterday. Steps to treat Arogya Yojana for Maharashtra construction workers, Welfare Board, 700 crores. Procurement of biomedical equipment for Pandit Deendayal Upadhyaya University at Karnal, Haryana, rupees 528 crores. In HSCC, new government medical college, 420-bedded hospital at Parbhani, Maharashtra, 404 crores. Update in Amrapali projects. In half-yearly 1, Amrapali project has contributed 708 crores in the top line, and remaining revenue will be contributed in next 2 quarters. Out of 38,000 housing units, 24,000 units are completed. Work on Amrapali Phase 2 project is going on fast track. Tendering a value of 8,400 crores for 6 projects are uploaded and will be awarded in upcoming months. And this will start contributing turnover in fourth quarter. Update of redevelopment projects. In half-yearly, GPRA project has contributed 1,012 crores in top line, up by 45%. Narojinagar project is on finishing stage and we have already started handed over of the project and 100% sale is completed to generate the funds. Netaji Nagar, the first phase of project valued at 1,450 crores is currently underway and 80% completed. Additionally, 2 more tenders were worth of 2,000 crores are in pipeline for contractor appointments. Sarojini Nagar, this is a large project and works in more than 9 phases worth of 6,900 crores are going on, which are in different stages of execution. Received occupancy certificate, that is with type 2 quarters of 1,738 quarters. It will be allotted to government officers at the earliest. Major focus area of NBCC in upcoming months. Stalled real estate project. NCAS Amrapali project experience and expertise. NBCC is examining feasibilities few more such real estate projects in Delhi and NCR and Mumbai regions where home buyers is facing such big problems. Primarily, Supertech is expected to join in the stalled project list by this year end. NBCC real estate sale, we are also focusing to increase the contribution of our real estate in both top line as well as bottom line. Land monetization. Government agencies including PSUs have a lot of land parcels across India which are not generating any revenue. Moreover, encroachment on such land parcels are caused great distress to the exchequer. NBCC has been accessing these opportunities and started feasibility of few land parcels across pan-India. Opportunities in hospital and education institutions. NBCC along with our subsidiary like our buildings in India's prime institution like AIMS, IITs, NITs, IIMs, state and central government universities, and we are eyeing more opportunity in this segment. After successful journey of redevelopment business model, NBCC is also eyeing some large size projects in the segment in upcoming months, specifically in government colonies. Redevelopment as a lots of colonies are in not good shape as these are very old built colonies. Diversification. Acquisition of underperforming public sector units with significant land assets. Thank you. Now the forum is open for the question and answer.
Thank you very much. We will now begin the question and answer session. Anyone who wishes to ask a question may press star and 1 on their touch-tone telephone. If you wish to remove yourself from the question queue, you may press star and 2. Participants are requested to use only handsets while asking a question. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll wait for a moment while the question queue assembles. Participants who wish to register yourself for the question, you may press star and 1. We have our first question from the line of Ankita Shah from Elara Securities. Please go ahead. Ms. Ankita, are you?
Hi. Yes. Can you hear me? Yes. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible. Please go ahead.
Yeah. Sir, what is the current order book status and given the order book status and the breakup between redevelopment and EPC and PMC projects?
Total order book in consolidated level 84,400 crores. Out of which NBCC around 70,413, HSCL 8,093, HSCL 5,915, and NSL 200 crores. So this is our consolidated order book, 84,400. So out of which PNC around 55% and 45% in redevelopment. Some 2-3% real estate and EPC.
Got it. Sir, our target for the full year that we had guided was around 10,500 crores of revenue and bottom line of 400 crores. Do we think we are on track for the same?
Yes, definitely. We will going to achieve the top line around 13,000 crores. Bottom line, it will be, already we have achieved 265 crores back. So it will be more than that. Whatever your target you are achieving, we are going to achieve more.
Got it. And sir, how is the, given first half has seen good inflows, how is the pipeline for the second half, and for the full year, what is the order inflow that we are targeting?
So far during this year, we have secured more than 28,000 crores at consolidated level. So we are expecting few more projects. During this year, we are going to achieve 1 lakh crore order book. That is our target. So that will be easily, I think it is achievable. Another 14,000 crore we have to achieve, 16,000 crore that we are going to get during this year itself.
Got it. And sir, what are the key projects that will contribute to revenues in FY26 next year?
Next year, Amrapali, of course, phase 2, Amrapali redevelopment project, redevelopment of Srinagar also, that will also going to contribute, and Goa government, state government, Kerala state government tender will be uploaded very shortly. So that is also going to mature, and some university works are there. So in Oil India, Northeast, we started Oil India work and border fencing work of Northeast region. So many other projects are there. These are all the major projects, and Maldives also we are getting some revenue regarding outside abroad. We can get some revenue from Maldives.
Yes, so we can assume that 15 to 20% growth rate in execution can continue even in 26 and 27?
Yes, definitely. In at least 20% we can, because of the work, Amrapali work phase 2 will be awarded by next month. So from next year, last quarter, we are going to get the revenue from Amrapali, and 7GPR also we are going to start our commercial activity. So definitely.
Got it. Sir, one last from my end. In terms of margins, how do you think the margins should pan out over the next 2 to 3 years?
Currently, our EBITDA is, PAT margin is around 6%, 6.6%. So whatever we have committed, 6 to 7%, definitely we are going to reach out that margin. And EBITDA 5.5 to 6%.
Got it.
Thank you. Before we move on to the next participant, a reminder to all participants, you may press star and 1 to ask questions. The next question is from the line of Vasudev from Nuvama. Please go ahead.
Yeah, thank you for the opportunity, sir, and congratulations on a great set of numbers. So, sir, out of this 84,400 crores of consolidated order book, how much is currently under execution?
Currently, only 18,000 crores in execution at the NBCC level. Consolidated level, around 22,000 crores.
Okay. And, sir, how much worth of projects have we awarded in Q2, and what is our target for the full year?
Already awarded around 3,600. The target for this year end, around 14,000 crores we will go to award. 8,600 crores of Amrapali is on sale, and another 2,000-3,000 crores work also in pipeline only. So during this year, around 15,000 crore work we will go to award.
Okay, sir. And for Nauroji Nagar, you said that we've sold it completely. So what is the total sales that we've done in this project?
Total sale value we got around 14,000 crore rupees in 25-acre land. By selling the commercial space, we generated 14,000 crore.
15,000. Okay, sir. And in this quarter, how much of real estate have we sold, and what is our target for the full year?
Real estate during the half yearly we sold 84 crore. So another 100 to 200 crore rupees we are targeting for this year.
Okay, so 100 to 200 in H2 or for the entire year?
In H2 I'm saying, in H2.
Okay, sure, sir. And just last one from my side, how much is our seed money currently and pending interest on that?
So seed money we received from NOVA. We have infused the seed money in Amrapali. Around 400 crore rupees we have invested in Amrapali. And interest 190 crore rupees we have to receive from ministry.
Oh, okay. Sure, sir. That's it from my side. I will come back in the queue. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. A reminder to all participants, you may press star and one to ask questions. I repeat, you may press star and one to ask questions. We have our next question from the line of Pankaj Kumar from Kotak Securities. Please go ahead.
Thank you, sir. Just wanted to understand what value of contracts that we are targeting to award in next financial year, both at console and standalone level.
Contract awarding?
Yeah. What value of contract awarding that we are seeing?
Around 15,000 crore rupees. 15,000 crore rupees what we will going to award.
This is FY26 you are saying?
Next year. You are saying next year?
Yeah, next year. This year you are targeting.
Next year around 10 to 15,000 crore rupees. The Srinagar work will going to award and Goa, Srinagar, that Kerala Housing Board, so MTNL. Around 15,000 crore rupees, 10 to 15,000 crore rupees.
So we are going to see
Package in final stage. So next year we will definitely award this work. We will go to award.
So we are going to see a slowdown in awarding vis-a-vis this year, or maybe a flattish kind of awarding in next year.
Pardon me?
So awarding will be similar to what we have in the current financial year.
Yes,
the order book has been very sharp pickup.
Yes.
So this 84,000 crore of order backlog that we are having as of now, what is the timeline for execution?
4 to 5 years, because redevelopment project we have to generate ourselves money. So there we need 4 to 5 years, whereas PMC only 1.5 year to 2 year we can do.
And sir, the second thing is the medical college projects would be booked under subsidiary or like under NBCC? Which all projects will booked in NBCC?
Yes, AIMS Darbhanga under subsidiary, that is HSCC secured the AIMS, and some few medical colleges that Maharashtra state government got by one of the other subsidiary, that is HSCL. And AIMS Bilaspur, we have phase 1 successfully completed. Phase 2 work we got, NBCC got around 200 crores work in AIMS Bilaspur.
And sir, you said you would be looking at more redevelopment projects, old government colonies. So which all those projects that we are looking at, from which geography? Is it from NCR also? From other parts?
For next year, I think we will focusing on Patna, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, because all the state government have huge land parcel in the city area. Presently, we are doing the development in Delhi only. So we extended our arm to Jammu Kashmir, similarly Goa, Kerala Housing Board. So same thing, UP also we are focusing. So next year, I think with these 2-3 states, we will definitely going to get. And we are focusing on Tamil Nadu also. There discussion is going on with the Tamil Nadu, Bihar government, and Chhattisgarh government.
And these would be of what size? Will it be very huge size that we have as of now, or it will be smaller?
Almost because they have huge land parcel, so 10 to 15,000 crore rupees at least each government we can get from each state government.
Okay. And sir, on this 7 GPI project, what is the value of outstanding projects that we have to award? Out of the 25,000 crore is the total value, I believe.
Yet to award around 8,000 crores.
It's largely on the Nauroji Nagar.
Sarojini Nagar.
Sarojini Nagar. Yeah, Sarojini Nagar.
Sarojini Nagar is completed. Sarojini Nagar there is no balance. So only Sarojini Nagar and Netaji Nagar.
Yes, sir. Oh, okay. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. A reminder to all participants, you may press star and one to ask questions. You may press star and one to ask questions. We have our next question from the line of Kaivan, a shareholder. Please go ahead.
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, yes. Please.
Yeah. So I needed to know the progress and projected timeline on the construction of border fencing along the Indo-Bangladesh border. And also there was one 31,000 crore fencing in India-Myanmar border. How much of the opportunity can we benefit from this order?
Recently, we got around 440 crores work from Indo-Bangla border fencing. So future also there will be a scope for this work. Initially 8-10 years back awarded to NBCC. So they are withdrawn from the NBCC and we got this work order. So we are going to get a few more work orders from them.
Okay. And on the India-Myanmar border, we are going to get some share?
Okay. We are discussing with the ministry for India-Myanmar and Indo-Pak border also. So discussions are going on and we are hopeful to get good chunk of work from them.
Okay.
For both Indo-Pak and Indo-Myanmar.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. A reminder to all participants, you may press star and one to ask questions. You may press star and one to ask questions. A reminder to participants, you may press star and one to ask questions. We have our next question from the line of Pankaj Kumar from Kotak Securities. Please go ahead.
Yes, sir. Thanks for the follow-up. So what is the total cash balance that NBCC is having on the standalone, its own cash as well as on the console?
Yeah. I'm Director of Finance. Standalone cash flow is 723 crores as far as NBCC is concerned. And in console level, it is 1,600 crores as on 30th 9, 2004.
Okay. And on the real estate, what is the pipeline that we have? What is the total land bank and business development that we have for the next year?
Can you come again?
Yeah. I am Suman. Hello, I am Suman Kumar, Director Commercial. As of now, we have 65 acres of land located in different parts of the country. The major land chunk is Ghaziabad, Gurgaon, and Rajasthan, Jaipur. So in the coming this financial year, we are going to award around 800 crores.
That is Jaipur and Coimbatore.
Jaipur and Coimbatore.
Coimbatore already tender is finalized, so we are going to award that shortly.
So altogether, minimum 800 crores will be awarded in the real estate.
So this is all real estate?
Yeah, all real estate. Yeah.
Okay. So in terms of pre-sales, how this will look like for the current year and the next year?
In the next year, the figure will be even larger. It will be around 2,000 crores.
It should be through joint development we will be looking at, or?
No. NBCC alone applied the whole drawing design and through the tender, and it will be totally supervised by NBCC, and the sale will be also done by the NBCC marketing group.
Okay. So this land is all owned by NBCC?
Yeah, all owned by NBCC. Right.
Our own land parcels.
We have got the own land parcel of 65 acres located in different states of the India.
Oh. And sir, in terms of guidance, how we are looking at FY26 in terms of order inflows and revenue growth, revenue targets?
Yeah. In the real estate sector, our revenue margin, net profit is around 20 to 25%. And we are also interested to start a land chunk in Ghitorni, which is in Delhi itself. It is around 32-acre land, and it is very precious land. Most probably, drawing will be approved within 3-4 months. So in next financial year, this contribution from real estate will be enhanced substantially.
And sir, overall, in terms of that NBCC console level, what kind of revenue as well as the NBCC standalone that you're looking for next year and order inflows for the next year? Any guidance on?
In today, I think proceeds will be around 300 to 400 crores by March 2025. But in the next financial year, the figure of realization of profit will be more than 1,000 crores.
For the console order inflows guidance for next year, FY26?
1 lakh crore consolidated level next year by the year end, we will going to touch around 1 lakh crore.
And revenue guidance for next year, sir?
Revenue 13,000 crore.
That's standalone, I think.
Next year,
Next year standalone.
Around 16,000 crore.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. A reminder to all participants, you may press star and one to ask questions. The next question is from the line of Shivam, a shareholder. Please go ahead.
Yeah, hi sir. Sir, what will be the value of the Ghitorni land, the 38 acres?
32 acres. It is 32-acre land, so the value will be around. We don't want to sell the land. It will be built, and after built, we will going to sell the FAR. So that is our purpose. Around 4,000 crore. This will be 4,000 crore, and the profit will be more because it is our own land.
So the gross development value will be 4,000 crores on Ghitorni.
Book value is only 195 crores, whereas you will going to get around 4,000 crore rupees.
So the real estate sales will be 4,000 crores. That's
yes,
what you're saying?
Yes.
Okay. And what is the more real estate projects that we are expecting, and what will be the sales guidance like for this year and the next year?
Jaipur, we have 3 land parcels in Jaipur, 1 residential and 2 commercial land parcels. One in Ghaziabad, the other one is also in Ghaziabad. Kochi, we have our land parcel, and this Coimbatore, we have one land parcel in Mauritius also. So that also we are planning to develop in Mauritius land also.
So this year, any real estate project you will be launching?
Already we have called a tender for Coimbatore. So Coimbatore and Jaipur, I think we are going to launch this year only.
So what is the pre-sales number that's expected out of it?
In Coimbatore, around 600 crore rupees. Coimbatore and Jaipur.
Okay. And for the next fiscal year, how much real estate pre-sales are you guiding?
Next year, around 2,000 crore. Our director commercial told around 2,000 crore rupees we can fetch from next year.
So Ghitorni won't be coming next year?
Because that revenue will be coming after handing over. So we will going to start the construction from next year onwards. But the revenue in our own real estate, it will be coming while handing over to them only.
I'm asking about the pre-sale.
Sale will be taken place next year, but revenue will come later after handed over.
So you're going to fully launch Ghitorni next year?
No, in phased manner. We wanted to do in phased manner some 3 to 4 phases because that is 32-acre land. So we are doing due diligence and all. So appointment of consultant also in process. So once it is appointed and due diligence, then we're going to start the sale.
Okay. And sir,
That is our own real estate. Books value is only 195 crores, but we will going to get around 4,000 crores. 2 crores. Only 2 crores. Only 2 crores. Books value is only 2 crores.
Okay.
Sorry, 1.95 crores. That is, instead of that, 195 crores I told.
Okay, okay. And any update on the PSU redevelopment? Has it started? Is it picking up? You have got any orders and all?
Yes, we got the MTNL today. We got it. We're going to finalize the appointment of consultant in the MTNL land parcel of Panka Road in Delhi. So once it is a model, role model. Once it is through means then definitely we can get some more land parcel monetization for MTNL, BSNL. Not many PSUs are there. So we are firstly doing one project.
Okay. And sir, what will be the, like I missed on your order book number till 14th of November. How much is the order book number right now?
Right now, 84,000 crore including our subsidiaries. Standalone around 70,000 crore.
84,000 crores in total.
Yes.
Okay. And sir, any is there any update on the defense forces land bank? Are they gonna utilize that or redevelop it?
Not yet. We are interested. We are keen on even defense land also. Some discussion is going on. Not mature presently.
And so this fiscal year, what will be your top line and margin guidance?
13,000 crore in the top line, bottom line 6 to 7%.
Okay, 6 to 7% margin.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. A reminder to all participants, you may press star and one to ask questions. The next question is from the line of Vasudev from Nuvama. Please go ahead.
Yeah, thank you for the follow-up, sir. So, I wanted to know what is the scope in the super tech projects? Like, what kind of potential do we see in these projects, in the super tech projects, and when do we expect to get some orders from there?
Super tech is a stalled project, and it is having 50,000 units. Amrapali only 38,000, whereas super tech around 50,000 units, yet to be handed over by the builder. It is also costing about around 10,000 to 15,000 crore construction work. So it will be completed in 3 phases. We already submitted our report, expression of interest to Supreme Court as well as NCLT. This month 21st, I think there will be a NCLT hearing. Around 25,000 home buyers are keen to take up this project by NBCC. So we are waiting for the NCLT order. As soon as we get the order means, then I think 10,000 crore business will going to get immediately. This will going to give the relief to 50,000 home buyers. Since already we have completed Amrapali successfully, so Supreme Court and as well as NCLT, home buyers also very keen. They are asking us to complete this project.
Okay, sure, sir. Thank you. And on the Amrapali front, what is the total orders which are completed and which is still ongoing?
Total around 8,200 crore work order we got from Amrapali, out of which we have executed 7,400. So only 800 crores worth of value is pending. Recently they have engaged 2 more works to us. That is, one is Kochi and the other one is Bhilai. So that also we are going to call the tender. That is a small value. And in Noida they have one property that is Tech Park. That is also the appointment of consultant in process. So, and phase 2 already, as I mentioned, some 8,400 crore tender already uploaded in the website. We will going to finalize by this quarter end, that is 3rd quarter. And from 4th quarter onwards, I think the execution will start.
Okay, sir. And so there was some news earlier that, Housing Ministry, we are looking for commercialization of 45 acres of land at the Scindia Marg, Africa Avenue and Sarojini Nagar. So, any status over there?
Yes. We have 5 land parcels in Sarojini Nagar in different patches. One is a 15 acre, second is 9 acre, and 2 more land chunk of 15 acre each, and one land parcel is 6 acres. So we have already prepared drawings and design. We have presented the drawing design to the ministry, and it has been through by the ministry. Most probably within 1 month, all tenders will be floated.
Okay, sir. And so lastly, in Netaji Nagar and Sarojini Nagar, have we sold anything till date?
Yes, in Sarojini we have sold downtown commercial property. We have sold in 1,400 crore.
Okay, 1,400 crore. Sorry, sir, where was this site?
Around 600 shops and office spaces.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, sure, sir. That's it from my side. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. A reminder to all participants, you may press star and 1 to ask questions. As there are no further questions, I would now like to hand the call to Ms. Ankita Shah from Elara Securities Private Limited for closing remarks. Over to you, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you all for joining us on this call. In case if you have any further questions, you can get in touch with us or Mr. Balakrishnan Surya, our Investor Relations Officer at NBCC. Thank you all and have a great evening.
Thank
you.
Mana, we have a closing remark from CMO.
Sure.
Thank you so much for your continuous support on NBCC. I would like to highlight few key aspects before final closing. As we are all aware, NBCC has secured a lot of new business in last few quarters, and now we are focusing more in and show our commitment towards completion of this project and increase our revenue and profit. Since all functional directors are onboarded, we will do work with our full dedication in upcoming quarters. As next 6 months are best for working season, so for construction of companies, and we will engage the opportunity. So in upcoming quarters, we will target to get Super Tech project and execution of Amrapalli Phase 2 would be the key focus. NBCC has an order book of around 84,000 crores. We will targeting to take 1 lakh crore at the end of this financial year. Once again, thank you everyone.
Thank you. On behalf of Elara Securities Private Limited, that concludes this conference call. Thank you for joining us, and you may now disconnect your lines.